Hello, hello, hello. Alright, that's good. How do I fix, like, that stupid ass? That was a simple solution. Okay. Nice. Wait, let's compare real quick. Oh, there's like no difference. Whatever. Maybe I was typing too hard? Maybe I should learn how to type softer. No, you can hear the difference. For sure. Okay, whatever, I'll just keep my microphone like that then. Alright, I can close this now. I don't even need to check the audio or anything anymore. Everything's good. Right. Let me get comfy. 1 second. This isn't comfy though. My head's hurting. There you go. Whatever. I really want my hoodie on though. Ugh. Wish I had my earbuds. That'd be nice. Alright. Ready to go. Alright. Long time no see for anyone watching this stream. Sorry about the dog, if you can hear it. You probably can't because my mic's kind of sensitive. Quick update on this, what happened. I fell for the trap of getting demotivated with my most recent video, which isn't really recent because it was a year ago. Like literally in like 2 days, it'd be like a year ago from now. I haven't made a video in a year, which is insane because it's very depressing that I made all those comments where I'm like, I don't want to be one of those tech YouTubers who makes a video every 6 months and stuff like that. But what happened there, I'm just gonna be fully transparent, is I put so much time into that video. I put 3 days, like it only took me 3 days to make it, but in those 3 days, I pulled like all-nighters and slept like shit just to get it done. I literally grinded my ass off for that video. And I thought it was a really good video, but I was very disappointed with how it turned out. So I was like, fuck, dude. But looking back, I mean, it wasn't that good of a video. I feel like I overhyped it, but I had fun making it and I liked it, but I got really demotivated from that. And another issue I was having was I had nothing really to make content on. Like, the style of video I was making was kind of like the typical programming YouTuber thing, where they make a project, then they talk about it and document the progress. But like during that time, what I was working on, I wasn't really working on small projects. I was working on really big projects that I couldn't really document, like at my college. So, you know, or they weren't interesting and stuff like that. So I didn't really have time. Like, not that I didn't have time, but I just wasn't focusing my energy towards making projects specific for YouTube. And then I came back for the competitive programming arc, which was fun for a bit, but then for personal reasons, I was like, you know, I probably shouldn't continue this. I should go do something else. Which kind of left me again without content to like film. Yeah, I could have worked on a side project, but I'm currently working on one really big project that I'll talk about soon. I was working on that, and again, I just wasn't working on any side projects I could make content about or live stream about. But that changes here, which I may sound like a broken record, but I'm very disappointed with how I've been treating this YouTube channel. Cause I do like it. I mean, it's not like it's my goal to get big or become like famous or something. I just like doing it. It's fun, and it kind of feels like I just let this go, which was kind of fun for me to do. But I'm gonna be right back real quick, and when I come back, I will explain what we're gonna do this stream. I need to test something real quick. I need to make sure you guys can't hear this fan. Because if you can hear this fan, I'm not going to run it. But I want to wear my hoodie really bad. But it's not cold enough for my room. And my fan's broken, so I make a lot of loud noises when I turn it on. Which won't be good for the stream. I'll just turn it on so you guys can hear it. Here you go. Let me turn on max for you. Yeah, so the fan is a little obnoxious. Because the screws are loose. You can hear the fan, but do I care enough to turn it off? Is it that annoying? I don't know. I don't know. I just want to wear my hoodie. That's all I want to do. But it's too hot. It's too hot in here. I can't just wear my hoodie. It's not that simple. I want it to be cold. I'm trying to find a place where I can plug this in. Do I really only have 2 outlets in my room? That's stupid. I have 2 outlets all next to the mic. It's been 10 minutes and I still haven't done anything. It's been 10 minutes. How the hell has it been 10 minutes? Alright, I'm gonna make a decision in 30 seconds. Here. I got it. Unplug this shit. Oops, fuck. Don't break nothing now. How do I like turn up like how loud things have to be on a mic so you guys can't hear stuff? Can I do that somehow? I have no idea how to do that. Oh. Open audio source, apply the noise suppression filter. Okay. How do I do it again? Select audio input source. Filters. Add filter. Noise suppression. Okay. Hello? Oh. Is that working? Hello? Hello? What's up? Oh, let's go. That's work. Wait, is it working like fully or is it cutting me out? Like I'm very confused. It's not cutting out, but the voice sounds weird. Oh. Wait, what happens if I remove this? Okay, we're back. What's this like? Oh yeah, no, noise suppression has to go on. Hell yeah. For sure. There you go. Oh, that's so clean. What the hell? It was that easy? Okay, maybe I should turn down the... let me turn down the desktop. Okay, are we good? Here, 13, do 13. $13.5? How loud do I have my thing? Oh, I have mine on max volume. Oh, shit. Well, that would explain why it was so easy to hear everything, because my phone was at max volume. Hello? Okay, so is the mic doing good? Okay, how about full blast mic? Full blast mic, how do you feel about that? Okay, I think this is good. Maybe I'll turn the mic down by like 0.5 just for... Alright, so 15 minutes down the drain of just tweaking everything, but whatever. Why is it so quiet? That's making me mad. Because I can't listen to this. Oh no, now I'm gonna get pissed. Alright, we're good. We're good. We got it. We got it. We got it. That's the perfect setting. There you go. Alright. 15 minutes tweaking the settings. Alright, get this shit off my phone. Put the AirPod away. Oopsie. Whatever. Hey, noise cancellation though. That's good because now I get to have my fan on. Sick. Sick. Got the audio all correctly mixed up. Now, all we need. So I mean, okay. So let me jump back to what I was talking to you beforehand. So yeah, I stopped. Very, very depressing. But you know, whatever. But now we're back. I have no YouTube videos in mind. I'm gonna let you guys know that I have literally no YouTube video in mind at the moment. Maybe I'll make a video on my current project that I'm making once I get close to releasing it. Besides that, like, I don't have anything. I do want to do these streams where I just kind of code, like, hopefully quick passion projects that I can just do on stream. That'll be fun. I always love doing live coding, so this would be sick. But yeah, besides that, you know, expect more streams from me, hopefully, coming soon. Maybe over the weekends or on Fridays and stuff, because I'm free on Fridays. But I don't plan for this stream to go past like an hour or 2 hours, because I have a couple exams I need to do. And I have like my project I need to work on, get that out, which will be sick. But what are we making today? We are making a live reloader in Go. So over my arc of, you know, not being active. Oh, quick note on the Zero to Hero journey. You know how like 1 year ago I said, oh, I want to do backend as a career, or whatever. I stuck with that, and I really do love backend. I've learned a lot of stuff, so that's always exciting. I really do love backend. So that's pretty exciting. I'm glad I actually found something. I have also like personally got interested in like concurrency and concurrent programming and multi-threading. I think that's fun. I'm not good at it at all. I just got into it. I've been like using my like calculus knowledge to like make graphs and math models to like show off like optimizations and stuff. It's not like complex at all. I know I say like, oh, calculus, it's not complex at all. I literally just like took a time and plotted how long it took to complete it, and then like the number of workers you had or threads you had open. But yeah. But hopefully I am applying. I'm in this program at school, and it gives me undergraduate research in spring. And I found this professor who is very specialized in concurrency and multi-threading programming, and I hope I can get research with him. That'd be incredibly sick. I'd be very grateful for that, because that would be very cool to do undergraduate research in exactly that field too. Because like currently I feel like I have an issue with like I don't have like projects. No, I'm gonna take that back. I do have projects where I can practice concurrency and multi-threading. It's just I haven't got around to it lately. And it'd be really cool to like meet a group of people who are very experienced with it, learn what they're doing, instead of like, you know, figuring everything out on my own, and maybe also getting paid to do it and stuff. But yeah. So what are we making today? Well, that was just an update on my life. Also, job search is going okay. School is going good. I'll make it like a video. I think, okay, so I take it back. I do have a video of mine. I'll probably give like a life update. Call it a year away from YouTube, what happened. But yeah, that's always fun. So let me get into the topic today. It's been 21 minutes. We still haven't gotten into the topic, but let me get in. We are making a live reloader in Gus. Well, Gus, what the hell? Go. We are making a live reloader in Go. Kind of like hot reloading. The like generic term is just hot reloading. That's what everyone refers to it by. Or like that's the most like known thing. Because I didn't know there was a difference between hot reloading and live reloading until I was researching this project idea, and I was like, oh shit, that makes sense. And by the way, the difference is hot reloading. It will update your program on like file change, but it won't change the state of your program. So you won't like lose your state that you currently have. A live reloader doesn't store the state, like it does a clean reset every single time. And currently, like with all my backend projects and maybe my concurrent projects to a certain extent and all that stuff, I don't really need a hot reloader, but I would need a live reloader because I do find myself like reloading this shit all the time, which is kind of annoying. Yes, I know I could technically just go find a repository. I think there's one good one called Air and just use theirs, but what's the fun in that? Let's make it ourselves. Oh yeah, and so over the last year I've become highly addicted to Go. I love Go. Go is a good language in my opinion. Some people don't agree with that. A lot of people don't agree on me with that, but they're just wrong. They don't understand because they don't know how to code. But yeah, so we're gonna make a live reloader. I have no idea how we're gonna do it. I have a rough idea, like with everything. Anytime I'm like given a problem, I always have like a rough idea, but I have no idea right now. So we might as well plan how this should work. I'm gonna like, at first what I want to do is I kind of want to like make everything from scratch. I'm gonna try not to use Google, and that will be for like how it's implemented. So what I was thinking is, like, I don't want to look up how live reloaders are typically implemented. I want to kind of figure it out myself and figure out like optimizations myself and be like, oh, okay, that was a terrible idea, and build it myself. That'd be really cool. So when I do use Google, I'm not going to be trying to learn like, okay, this is how they actually design the architecture. It's more or less like, okay, how do I do this in Go, or like something, or if I get really stuck. So currently my first idea was like to like, there's like two ways I'm thinking about doing it right now. Is you have a list of files obviously that are marked on your watcher, which like goes and watches the program, and then if they detect like a change, they would, you know, reset the program. Obviously that's what it does, but the way it would detect change is it would like do a direct comparison between the two, but I don't know if I like that idea. I was also thinking maybe like, so you can either directly compare the two data, like the different datas, and be like, okay, this is the current, this is the previous. Are they different? They're not different. Obviously don't reload the program. If they are different, reload the program. Maybe we can do it a byte comparison, because the bytes should technically be the same if the file only like changes if you edit the bytes. Yeah, I mean technically that should work, because I'm just thinking, because is there a way you could change it so that the bytes would look different? Yeah, I don't think there is. That doesn't make sense. To my knowledge, you can't do that. Like if you edit the byte, like the string, no matter what way you do it, each like byte group of bytes that are generated would be unique. At least I think. But yeah, you do a byte comparison maybe, just a raw string comparison line by line, which would be like probably the worst idea. Another thing I was thinking was we could keep track. I'm pretty sure Go has a thing where you can keep track of when files were last updated. So maybe we just keep a time in maybe milliseconds of when a file was like last changed and stuff. And milliseconds should be accurate enough to detect any change, because there's no way you change a file and then a millisecond later you're changing another file. Like that's not even physically possible. So millisecond, second, okay, yeah, maybe a second. Yeah, I could see that. I could see it skipping over a couple, but millisecond, no, hell no. But yeah, so let me set this up. Ooh, stop. There you go. Oops. There you go. Hello world. Okay, so we got a nice hello world. I think the first approach I'm gonna do is, I don't know, maybe the millisecond. I don't think. Let me just write all this stuff out. Alright. Mini loader. Technically, I should write this in a reading book. Here's mini loader. Live loader. Reloader. Written and go, obviously. Now, what are the tasks we're going to need to do? Well, the first thing we're going to do is take input to the main.go file. From there, we need to watch all the files from the calling directory. I'm pretty sure. So the way this is going to work is, actually, would I want to do it from the calling directory? How do I want to watch the files? How do I want to know which files should I watch? And here's the way because if you just watch the ones that are in the that are grouped with the main file, a lot of Go directories, and a lot of like projects in general aren't just put into one single folder, right? So like in Go, you have cmd/app/main.go, right? Or let me write this better. You have the root cmd/app main.go, right? This is the root. I think that's how they like do it when they type out directories and stuff. But you know, a lot of people do it like this, and then they'll have like the internal, right? And then you may have some other stuff, right? And these are other .go files down here. But the problem is if you call it from this main.go, if you're like, okay, I'm only going to search this and all the parent directories that go down it, you run into the issue where it's like, okay, but my program files are all the way over here. I'm actually writing it in this directory. I'm not writing it in this like app. I'm writing it all the way over here. So we do the approach where it's like, okay, well, we can start at the main.go directory and work our way down. We can miss a lot of files. The other approach is, I don't know why. Wait, let me just draw it. I don't know what I'm doing. There you go. Let me just draw it. So like you have your slash, which is the root. You have the cmd. Sorry about my handwriting. Like /app, right? And then you have like your .go, your main. But you have all these other files. Actually, I'm not going to draw it because my handwriting is terrible. This looks better. So in this example, if we do it that like bottom down, if we call from the source, if we call from main, it would only search all these other folders and files in here. Like it'd only watch this file. The -w means watch. All right, up here. -w means getting watched. And this is approach 1. I don't know how to spell approach. Whatever. I don't think that's right. Approach. Oh, I spelled it right. Let's fucking go. Approach 1. We watch all files from source directory or from main.go directory, which means it would only watch this file, and then that actually means watch, and then it would like watch all these directories too, but it would miss out on these. The approach 2 that I'm thinking about right now is watch files from executing. I'll call it executing directory. Okay, so what is watch files from executing directory? I think I spelled that wrong too. I don't know. I'm not confident in my spelling. That basically means wherever the terminal, like for example, wherever. Oh my God, wherever. Why? Wherever. Oh, this is embarrassing. This is so embarrassing. Okay, why can I not spell today? Wherever the terminal or whatever it's calling from. So, say you have this file structure again, right? You have this file structure. Now, if I call it from the source, right? If I go and I'm like right here, and this is my like terminal line, I would say like user slash programs slash example one. If I'm here and I say go run, how is this formatted? I just put like this here. I say go run cmd slash app main.go. What it will do is it will take this directory. So step one would take slash program user slash program slash example, and it will use this as the watching directory, which means what it's going to do is now it's going to watch from that route, and then it would actually go and watch all these files. The issue here is if you call this from somewhere else. Say, imagine if I called this like issue, is imagine if I called this from slash programs. Like imagine I said user slash programs go run example one slash app or slash cmd slash app slash main.go. Well, what's going to happen is it's going to watch all the files in the programs directory. And again, I'm not trying to use Google. I'm not going to try to use Google and like see what the best practice is and what they actually do. I'm just thinking. I'm going to try to derive this all myself. The issue here is if you change a file, obviously we'll be only looking at .go files, but if you change a file there, then it'll trigger a reset. Now, technically, would that be an issue? Probably not, because if you're running that program and you probably won't be editing other files like .go files. You might, yeah, you probably will, which would then trigger a reset depending on what you're doing if you're working with like multiple programs at once, which could be an issue. Cause like say if I had in my programs, I had example one and I had example two, and they were like linked somehow, and then I was like switching between the two, and I was editing them both. I mean, I've done that. I do that a lot, where I have like two different programs I'm working on at the same time, and maybe I don't want the other program to, you know, terminate. Maybe I wouldn't want to live reload based off the other's state. So, I mean, that is technically an issue, but I think I have a solution. Okay, well, the third approach I'm thinking of, app approach, is a config file, which basically states like states like, okay, what directory you're watching from. Now, why is that a little fucking annoying? It won't be that easy to adopt, because if other people try to clone the repository and they want to use this tool that we developed, they're gonna be like, I have to make a config file, like, it's gonna be all stupid. Which I really don't want to do a config file, because one thing that turned me away from like other things, like you have to make a config file, which I don't want to do. I just kind of want it to be simple and easy. An idea actually that just came up to my mind is search up, or just find the dot mod file. So you can tell if you're in a Go project or the root of a Go project by the dot mod, right? So, because in Go you're required to have the dot mod folder in your root directory. At least I'm pretty fucking positive about that. And then if you don't have, and then maybe it is an issue, but if you don't have it, that's your fault, because the Go developers want you to have it in the root. That's common practice. So I think a good solution, because I was thinking, how does like Node, I think it's called Nodemon, like how Nodemon work maybe is, I don't even know if they do like my second approach where they watch all files from the executing directory. I was thinking, well, maybe what they do is they look for the package lock.json, because that kind of signifies that's a Node project. So they might just like return up from the packet until they see the package.json. They go, okay, this is our directory. We need to watch all these files here. I actually really like this approach right here. I think this is a very good approach, because this removes the need for a config file, and this removes the issue of this, and it removes the issue. It like removes all the issues from all these other approaches. We just find the .mod file, we take that route, that is our root route, we'll watch all the files there. Now if that's an issue for someone, they can just move the directory of the .mod. Or like, I don't know, like whatever. Like, you can go screw yourself. I don't know. You're supposed to have one .mod in your project. One issue I could see is maybe like you're doing like a microservice architecture, and you have like, how they do it, where they have like different folders for each microservice. They all have their own .mod, but most of the time you run those in their own terminals, and I wouldn't think you would want each microservice to shut down and reload itself if you edit like another one. So I think this is the best solution, where we kind of treat the .mod as its own project, and we'll live reload based off of that. One issue I can see happening is if you do have multiple folders. Say I have a .mod right here, I have another folder which is like a service, maybe. Oh, I spelled that terribly, but maybe there's a go.mod file in here and stuff. I'm pretty sure that's definitely for sure possible. That'd be a little annoying, because what I'm saying here is like, technically, if you edit this, it's gonna restart the whole thing. But if you're calling this, it just kind of would depend on how your project is structured. And I think for now, the simplest approach would just be to honestly just look for this .mod file, because that handles like most, if not like literally most use cases, and more specifically my use case, because I don't like, even if I had more .mod files, right, for different like sub projects in the same folder, they're organized in such a way that like calling it from the root directory doesn't change anything, and if it live reloads, it won't matter. So I know I'm not explaining this well at all. I'm kind of trash right now explaining my thoughts. But I think we're gonna go with approach 4. I like that. Good one. So, okay, so let's keep going back to like the whole process pipeline. We have mini loader, the live reloader ready to go. No shit. Number 1, take input into the main.go file. Watch all the files from the calling directory. Watch all the files. Basically, what you're gonna do is you're gonna fucking return up until you find the .go.mod file. This will be your project directory, or your root directory being watched. So obviously, third step would probably be grab instance of all .go files. Maybe we could have later down the line, if you really want, you could add a config.json like later. You don't have to have it, but if you want it, you can, and then you could watch other files. But for now, we're only going to do .go files, because I don't know if you want to live. Some people probably won't want to live reload if their image changes or something. Like, maybe they do. I don't know. I don't know how Nomon does. I don't think Nomon changes or live reloads everything, unless you affect a .js file. No. Well, when you change some other thing. Well, like obviously, if you change CSS, HTML, yeah. Do we want to grab instance of all .go files, or do we want to grab all instances of files in general in live reload based off of those? I think for now we'll just do all.go files, and if you want more, we could add support for passing it in as like command line argument, or adding like a config file. Or what we could do, oh, that's a little extra, but what we could technically do is make it so this library, basically what it will do is you can import it, and inside your program, in your main function, you can call it and configure it directly from there. But that would be kind of like a little bit more complex to implement than just whatever I'm doing now. I do want to think about that though. Yeah, that'd be more complex to implement, at least like initially looking at it. But that'd be kind of cool. Where like instead you could just like import like watcher, and you can be like watcher. Oh, what is this? Oh, these are the file watchers. That's what I saw earlier. But that'd be cool if like you could like configure it from here, where you'd be like, okay, on change of like whatever this is, and stuff like that. And then as you just do a regular like load, like as you just normally load your thing, or like start your thing, it can just configure it from there. You don't even have to like do like a special calling command or nothing. But for now, I'm just gonna do the initial approach, which is doing the calling it from the terminal, and then maybe later down the line we'll just change it. Okay, and then for now we'll just grab all instance.go files. So we'll take the input to the main.go file, return up until you find the go.mod file. This will be your root directory being watched. Grab an instance of all.go files, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna start the program, right? And the fifth is you're gonna start the input program, which is the main.go, and then you're gonna start the watcher, and then you'll have like the watcher lifetime, which just runs and then restarts the program, runs and restarts the program. So, what's the first step? The first step is let's figure out how to here example or test. How about that? CD test, go mod init test. There you go. Main.go package test prompt main key print line test hello from test program print f hello from test program, time is time, and this is an example int value. I don't know why I put that. Time dot now dot unix. Import that. Hello. Time dot now dot units. And then above it, I'll put x equals 5. Jump to the end. Round x. You go. So to run test from here is we would just say go run test / main. Oh, am I stupid? Oh, I'm an idiot. Package main. That was dumb. Go run test main.go. Yeah, I was thinking, I always do it like that. You know, I've been using this, like, quick side note, I've been using like the Vim bindings in VS Code. First of all, I'm not good at it at all, and I need to start practicing with it. But I really wish there's an easier way to navigate these files, because right now, like, what it does is you used to be able to, like VS Code and these, like, navigating with the Vim keybinds is not working well together at all. It makes me mad because the whole goal of Vim is to get your hand off the mouse. But I have to put my hand on the mouse to navigate between the files. And then people are like, oh, well, I mean, I made this keybind where you can go like that, but it's like, that's still fucking annoying, that's slow. Because, again, like, common, like, structures in Go is you name the files the same thing. Like, if you're doing, like, a REST API and stuff like that. So it's like, I type, like, service, or I type in handler, and then I have 5 handlers. So it's not the exact handler, it's just kind of a nightmare. I mean, sure, I can say test main I go, but I just wish that was a little easier. I really do want to stop using my mouse. Maybe I'll switch over to NeoVim, but NeoVim on Windows is kind of annoying. I remember trying to set it up for C++ development back when I was like a noob, and that was a nightmare. But whatever. All right, first step though is let's figure out how to actually how to execute command lines in Go. Here, let me pull these docs up like in an actual browser so you guys can see it, because I don't want you just staring at this stuff. Staring at nothing. I'll look into the execute package real quick. Okay. What the hell does use mean? The hell does that mean? Use? It's not a keyword. What does that mean? X. Oh, they don't even have it. So what is this all about? X. Oh, OS dot. I'll probably be like OS dot. OS dot. Oh no. Get out. Get out now. Get out now, buddy. X. EX? Oh, what the hell? Oh, I was spelling it like something stupid. Alright. 1 second. Ugh, my hoodie's pulling down my ears. Yeah, you'll learn it. Alright. cmd.output. Okay, so let's just try a simple thing where it prints out the like my working directory, I guess. So I'm curious about like where this is like printing out at, like where is this getting executed at. So you app. Okay, whatever. So I go. I just say pdw. Print working directory. Oh, that's not a command here. CD. Oh, CD. When does this? This runs in my like terminal, right? Whatever. Let's just say pw, and it returns to me a command line, command object. Oops, stop. Please. Bro, I typed it. Alright, cmd, so I can capture the outputs, and then this returns to me probably bytes in error. What does this return to me as? Come on. Byte in error. Say data. Click error. Nil. Okay, I'll just actually just go here and just fucking print out the string of data and the error. Yep. Let's test this thing. Oh, okay, so not executable file and file path. What does that mean? Next command looks like a shell command, but a program name or path is correct. Okay, so I obviously have no idea what I'm doing. Command returns cmd struct. Echo W. Oh, okay, I know what it's doing. Go version. Right? That's how you check the version of Go. Nice. There you go. Okay, so it's running from my path directory, and it's just looking, and then it'll call from there. Okay. So we can say go version, and what we can do is then we can say go run, and then we'll just say s/main.go. Here's the issue though. I don't know what like directory reference this is talking in. And what I mean by that, okay, 1 second. Okay, what I mean by that is I don't know if it's talking from my path directory, and so when I say like this test slash main.go, it's gonna say path directory slash test slash main.go, or if it's talking from my calling directory, which will be wherever my terminal is. So when I say test slash main.go, it actually will find it because we're calling from obviously this directory right here. In Go, how to check calling directory in command line. Okay, it's not listening anyway. I don't know, let's just try this, see what happens. Oh, well, I didn't save the file. Oh, okay, so it's calling it. Okay, so it talks from my my calling directory, which is good to know. Okay, so it does this. So saying this actually works. So nice. Okay. Ooh, wait, 1 second. So it does this way, which is good to know. And I actually can configure the watcher like this actually very easily. Now I think about it, because I can just call it to run itself. Oh wait, how would I do that? No, because if you run itself over and over again, it's gonna kill itself. I was kind of thinking like, how can I do it? So okay, so here's what I'm battling with right now. It's like with nodemon, what you do is you say, I don't even know if that's how you say it. Nodemon? I think that's how you say it. With nodemon, you can just say server.js and then it begins to watch. Right? It replaces node server.js, right? And I don't want you to have to be like go run main.go or whatever, like watcher.go, well, obviously main.go, which this is the watcher, right? And then you have to pass in like the file you actually want. If I build it as like a binary, I mean, yeah, you could just say like watcher or like watcher and then say main.go or whatever, right? And then your execute line. That's kind of annoying. Right? I don't want to have to pass it as an argument. I kind of want it to be like a replacement. And what I was thinking was I was like kind of thinking, how can we do that? It's not like really that big of an issue, but I really want it to work like that. That'd be nice. Because with nodemon, you install it here. Okay, so nodemon installs onto my path directory. So when I install it, it's getting directly sent into my thing. So I mean, I guess that would be the solution here, is you just say go install or whatever, and you would actually run it. Because if I could do, what was that one thing I have? Let's go see still on here. Yeah, it is. So I'll just have to install this directly on my thing. So I guess we'll do it like that. Got my scraper. I do. Where is that install? How does that work? I need to look that up. Okay, so we're gonna do it like that. So we don't have to worry about any of this. So basically, the idea here is you'll say like watcher here. Actually, let me build the builds. The build. Let me get ignore the builds folder, please. Ignore that folder. Or like, you know, include the folder but ignore it. And then we can say go build. How do you build again? Building, file, and do executable. Go. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Go build dash O. Watcher. I just call it mini loader. Yeah, go. There you go. It's not. Oh, it built it into the wrong thing. I had to put the slash build. Whatever. Mini loader. Oh, it's gonna yell at me. Oh, it's not a .exe in Windows. Won't detect it. .exe. Mini loader. It failed. Build slash mini loader. Well, it doesn't know because whatever. Get the point. Alright, because right now what I need to think about is I need to think about like how we're gonna pass this file in. So, and I want it to be convenient. So I'm pretty sure if you just say go install, it installs in your path directory. Go install build it to your path directory. Okay, so go install installs it directly into your bin directory. Which explains why every time I build like one of my files, can I say mini loader from here? Bro, what the hell? No, I can't, but I can say my scraper and my... Oh, because I actually installed it onto my machine because I was a dumbass and I said go install. And I can run my scraper, and I can run like whatever. I mean, if I restart this terminal, can I run it? Any loader? Okay, but if I install it. What happened? Okay, I don't like that. Here. Go install reloader. Okay, so if you install it, it installs on your machine. So when people clone their repository, they'll say go install on their machine, they can call it from anywhere. That's how that works. So we figured that out. Which then, when they say mini loader, they can say cmd/app/main.go, whatever they want to actually pass that in. So we just need to get the... So with that figured out, we can keep this here. We actually need to figure out, we need to get like the arguments. So just print out the args for now. Print line os.args. Okay. We say, like, let's whatever, run main.go, and we just say like main.go right here. Okay, sorry. Okay, what are you doing? Oh, it's freaking out because I'm doing that. Okay, so, and then if I were to go install it, mini loader test, mini loader test, mini loader main.go. There you go. There you go. Okay. So the second argument will be the file path that you want. So if length of this is less than 2, os.exit 1. 1 means failure, right? Yeah, 1. And then we'll say print line when we throw the error. Or, I mean, we can say panic. Print line. Argument's not long. R is not long. Okay, which means we're missing input file. There you go. Now, if we do have it, we can go and we can say, we're not going to like really check that it exists, but we're just going to say executing. Ex path is, or I'll just say execute file is equal to os.args at 1. Just like something like saying executing, attempting to execute file. Oh, 1 second. There. Then we execute this. For now, we can just be like, okay, we'll actually just go and we'll actually go and proceed to execute it. We'll say go run, and instead of doing that, we'll say execute file. Here we'll take this, and then we'll take this. We delete that. Let's base this stuff out so it looks nice. Yep. So go run main.go, or I'll just say run dot main.go. Oh shit, stop. I need to do test slash main.go. There you go. That's working. So it executed that, which is nice. So that's the first step done. You take in this, take in the arguments, you get the executing file, it executes, it executes. So we're actually running the executing file now, which is the first step. I need to speed up though, because I'm kind of going slow. Now that we have the executing file, what we need to do is we need to go up until we find the .mod file. Because we need the .mod file to basically act as our root directory to know which files to launch. For now, I'm going to create a struct, and this will basically hold all of our data in regards to the watcher. So I'll just call config for now. I should have called this a mini watcher, to be honest, instead of mini loader. I called it mini loader because like live loader, but online people call it live, like watchers. It doesn't fucking matter. I'll just call it config. So let's keep this config shug. Let's just do the executing command to the string. That's what gets inputted, and then we'll say root directory. For now, it'll be a string. I'm pretty sure Go has a file path struct I should use, but we'll figure that out in a second. So up here, we'll just say CFG is equal to config, but that's nothing into it. Then down here, we'll just say config.executing command is equal to this. CFG execute commands. That's CFG dot commands. Now, so we know that works. Now we gotta go and we gotta find the root directory. Maybe I shouldn't execute it right away. I don't know. So executing. Oh my god, can I spell, please? Executing main.earth go project listed user. There you go. And this will be up here is setting config data. Now what we can do is I'll let you do it here, and we need to walk up the directory. So we need to walk up the directory until we find that .mod file, because ideally what should happen is no matter wherever you have this placed, no matter what file you're in, if you guys know your data structure algorithms, your file structure is a tree, right? And basically we can think of the root like we can think of this as the root of the tree being the .mod file, and all of these subsequent nodes are just directories, right? But so no matter what way you travel up this tree, at the end you'll get to this .mod file that, you know, so we're always guaranteed to have the .mod file, no matter what. But the idea here is now we need to traverse up the tree, so we need to get the current file path. And you can get that through, we need to get our calling file path, right? That's the first step. So how do you do that? Directory, what is it? Let me just look it up. Go how to get calling directory. And then we can just say os.get working directory. There you go. We'll just print this out for now because we don't care about if there's an error or not. And also I don't care about actually executing anything right now, so to just make it simple, I'm just gonna do that. Oh, it's gonna yell at me because I didn't pass it in. There you go. So tell me to execute and it gets that file path. Now we actually want to stitch it together, right? Because right now what's coming in as is either going to come in as .go, or it can come in as /test/main.go or like test/main.go, right? Basically what we want to do, or it can come in as like etc. test/main.go, whatever. It can come in as anything. Oops. It can come in as anything. That doesn't matter. What we need to do is we just need to take this part, chop it off, and attach whatever. We need to attach this to your get working directory. Now the reason why is because, as you see in test, in here what's happening is neither we're calling main.go, it lives in this root directory. So if we chop all the way up and we skip this like original directory here, which would be, for example, test, we can miss the main.go function. And if we miss like the mod file, we're fucked. We might accidentally travel all the way up their directory, which would not want to happen. So what we're gonna do is we get the working directory, which this returns to us, which calls wr error equals that, if error is not equal nil, print line error, os. I'll just honestly like panic the error, all good. Now we got the working directory. We have the executing command. Now let's stitch it together. So we want to like just basically trim strings that trim. How do I want to chop off the right up to trim right. Oops. Pass in the cfg.execute command. You cut return slice with all trailing unit code. Oh, okay, so it's gonna trim the unit code I pass in. I want to like trim up to a specific point. Which how do I do? Go how to trim up to a specific character. Yeah, because I was like, ooh, why does this have so many downvotes? Yeah, because what the trim function actually does is it cuts off like the trailing. What I want to do is cut up to a specific point, right? So if I were to call the trims function and I were to put in the slash like I wanted to, and I had like, for example, this string, it would delete up to here. But for example, it's going to see on the right hand side that we don't have a slash, so it's going to be like, okay, everything's fine. But everything's not fine. It should actually cut up to, I want to stop cutting up to a specific string. But I actually do want to trim. I just want to trim trim, and maybe what I'll do instead of immediately passing this, I'll call it execute command qcmd. Let me trim it up. I cannot type, please. Okay, this is an error. There you go, there you go. Strings dot trim right. Actually, you can just trim both sides. Who cares? Two commands. Trim all leading cross extra spaces and go. Just call the trim space one. There you go. I can pass that in. Make this. And then after we're done, like figuring this, you go to execute. Alright. Now, here's what I'm battling between. I don't know if I want them to always have to say like main.go or if they could say dot. Because if I say, okay, call up to main.go, I can just split off on main.go. I'll just make them do that for now, right? Because I'm wasting a lot of time doing all this stupid shit. So we'll just say strings.split on execute commands, and then we'll say main.go. So what that will do is basically it'll give me my left and my right, and I'll say parsed command. Oh, hello, thank you. Now, if the length of parse command is less than 1, panic. I'll just say error could not find main.go file. Oh wait, no, that's an issue because again, like if you just pass it, this isn't an issue at all. Stop. Don't do that. Because what's gonna happen is if you're calling it just from main.go, like right here, and I say split, and it doesn't split, and I was gonna check, I'd be like, okay, if it didn't split, get angry. But why would I get angry? Because, for example, in this test case, the main.go file is in this root directory. Which basically means you have nothing to trim. Ooh, spelled that wrong. Okay, so oh, sorry, buddy. You can go. Sure, dude. Just print out the working directory. Who gives a fuck? Okay, so here it gets me that. Here it would get me what? Get me nothing. Oh, yeah, empty string, right? Is that? I'm just curious. Is that actually an empty string or is it an empty array? What the fuck? 2? Give me 2. I just have 2 in there. Is there 2 spaces? Oh, whatever. What if I pass in f/? Oh, because it has the space after that's there. That makes sense. Okay, whatever. So, main.go, you get the parse command, and basically what we're going to say is cfd is equal to that, cfd.root directory is equal to parse command at 0. And honestly, we don't need any of these values. We can kind of just say this. It does not matter. Okay, so this gives us our root directory that we need. Oh wait, this isn't the full root directory, so technically we can have issues. Let me go up here though. Let me go here. Let me paste that here. There you go. We go down, and then we actually say that this is equal to w plus that. So this gives us our actual full-on root directory, and then we can just say root directory. See if that root directory right there. There you go. So you got the full-on root directory, which hopefully these like weird slashes aren't an issue. They shouldn't be. And also we need to have the added slash right up here. Now I'm curious though, is Go file paths. Does Go have a file path object that I should probably be, or like struct that I should probably be using? Yes, it does. Okay, so maybe I can actually simplify this, and I can just kind of say file path join the working directory with the execute command, and then I'll say cfg.root directory is equal to that, or is equal to this dot. Well, what is this returning me? A string? Oh, that just returns me a string? Whatever, and then I'll just say and then I can say file path dot base or directory. This code is so fucking ugly. I'm sorry for anyone that has to witness this. There you go. So you get the directory, and then you join the working directory and the execute command two together. Why is this code so fucking ugly? There you go. That's cleaner. /test. I don't even care about trimming this shit anymore. I'm gonna be so dead ass honest. This can just be equal to os.args. os.args. Or I can kind of just paste it here. Maybe it'll be cleaner if I say cfg.execute command. And I'll name this to execute cv. So it's easier for my original save. Oops. There you go. Alright, Jake. You're gonna speed the fuck up because you're going slow as fuck. There you go. So, I don't know why it's taking me so long. I don't know why I'm being bummed. But, oh my god, I didn't even start the work timer. Whatever. You can start it now. There you go. Oh wait, here. I can just add time to it. Start from 1. Let's do 1 hour. There you go. Oh wait, no. Is it working? Yeah, there you go. Oh, here we go. Reset, stop. Oh, I said stop. I want you to start from 1 hour. Oh, okay, it's not gonna do it. Whatever. Alright, so we got the file path. Now we need to actually do the walk, which goes up. So, file path. Is there a way to walk up a directory? Up? Is there a way to go up a directory? Oh, there we go. Walk directory. Okay, so Go has a walking thing. You go walk. Walk directory walks the file tree at the root, calling function for each channel, including the root. So how do I go up a directory though? Is my question. And I can just splice it. Okay, I mean, okay, whatever. I'll just add the dot dot, I guess. Whatever. Okay, so now we need to scan the files. So I actually need to scan all the files. So you just say fmt dot line os dot read directory, and we'll pass in the cf dot root directory. Oh shit, I just realized that that's not actually the root directory. Whatever. What made that go? Nice. Looking good. Alright, let me go here and actually let's set this up. Alright, so let's make a function called get root directory. Return the string. What's gonna happen here is we're gonna take in the calling directory, or the executing command ex command. Now what's gonna happen is we're just gonna say per dir3 is equal to file path, and I'll just honestly go down here and I'll take this line, paste it, and instead of saying minus, we'll just do it here. And we need to go get the working directory. Let me go pass error to, which needs to if, and then we say working directory is equal to error os.get working is directory. If error is nil, return and here we go. Now there you go. We'll just say execute commands, get the current directory. Now we need a walk. So I will say fmt.line beginning walk. So maybe for a cap of some certain iterations we'll do this. For a while, os.is, I check a directory. I check if the directory is valid. os dot directory check. How to check if directory is valid in Whoa, hell no, that is os.stat returns the given file or directory. Okay, so os.stat. Oh, well, I don't have to pass in. Oh, I just have to pass in a name. So I can just say the current directory we're on. Does not equal os.is not exist. Wait, what? Is not returns a boolean indicating whether it's an argument is known to the file directory. Yeah, that's block error is equal to os.stacked current directory. We don't care about this at all. Then we say for not error dot is os dot walk directory. And then we'll say os dot error not exist. So while this error is not the case, we're going to begin the walk. Print line walking on, and then we'll just pass in the current directory we're on, and then we'll chat. So os dot what was it, read directory, and then we'll pass in the directory values error that's nil, bam, error goes, error handling. Else we'll say slices dot contains string values go dot on. Did I pass that in right? Contains a it's a list of that, and it's gonna check for that. What does this return? Oh, fs directory entry, you motherfucker. Go get list of files in directory. I want to say f.name though, so that's not gonna work. I'll have to make my own check function, I guess. I was hoping I could just one line it. Whatever. For file index, and we don't take care of the index and values. Say is file. Why you range first of all. Oh, that's my index file. I forgot. File. Okay, so if in a file, okay, so what do I have access to here? I have info is directory. If it is not a directory, and file dot name is equal to go dot mod, we can return per directory and nil. Else just return nil errors.new, and we'll just say fail to find valid directory with go dot modify. Back, just delete this. Then if this is not the case, what we'll do is we'll say per directory dot, oh, I wish I could just trim up to a specific point. Current directory. Where's os dot c? What is this? Changes the current working directory to the name directory if there's an error. And we could say, okay, I mean, technically what I could do is I could change the reference that go up. Should I want to do that? Maybe. Whatever. For now, we'll just say the directory equal to I hate how LSP doesn't work when it like fucking lags. The hell, that was weird. Wait, why does this do that? Directory, per directory. What the fuck is path 2? Or path dot point per directory and dot. Let's see if this works. Let's do this. Let's do git root directory of cf.exe command. See what happens. There you go. Now let's move this one file deeper. All that. Oop, that's not a valid thing. Well, it doesn't even know that, but it's TMD. Walking on dot. Okay, so it did walking on dot. What? So that did not work. What happened? Walking on current directory. Current directory gave me a dot. Why did it give me a dot? Oh no, walking on CMD. And then it said walking on dot. No, you're not supposed to walk like that. What happened to you? Someone got fucked up. Okay, so it's just giving me dots. Very weird. So this is wrong. Dude, just give me something simple to walk up a directory, bro. Why is there no like simple thing where you just go up a directory? Why is that just a function? I'm coding so slow. It should be an hour. Why is it taking me so long? I'm not even like halfway done. Being dumb as fuck. Being dumb. Like a dumbass rock. Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. We also have to worry about environment variables being passed in. Show me, I have to figure out how we're gonna do that. Because like, what's the pro? Because like, okay, so it's basically the OS package has like its own like knowledge of what it is, but what would here, why don't I just fucking test it? Like, why am I sitting here like, oh, what would it just fucking get working directory, bro? Here you go, buddy. Okay, so now we can test what's happening here, and I'm actually gonna go execute this. So I do want to see what's happening. What's that? Okay, so that's not good at all, because what's happening is it's getting, so that program's, whoa, so that program's OS is it in reference with our OS? So it knows that its caller is us up here. Okay. I need to be smart about this. I'm being dumb as fuck. This is not going how I expected it to go. It's going the opposite. It's going like dumb as fuck way. Like it's going dumb as fuck. Go execute command how to set its OS. Because what's happening is what's happening? Wait. What's happening is this isn't an issue at all. That's what's fucking happening. I just realized something. Oh wait, no. I realized. Okay. I'm overcomplicating this. Because, oh yeah, I'm overcomplicating this. The fuck was I thinking? Okay. what was happening there was I was confusing what like the job of this executor even is. It doesn't matter where you're executing it from. That's up for the user to decide. If their environment variable isn't loading, their environment variable isn't loading because they're calling it from the wrong directory. That's their fault. Not ours. We don't have to deal with that. So when we do this git root directory, we're literally just trying to find where this .mod file is. It's literally our only goal. Like none of that other shit, fancy shit matters. Like at all. So when I'm sitting here and like I was just like thinking this and I was like, oh fuck, we're fucked. We're not fucked. Because that's up to the user to figure it out. How the fuck is this working, bruh? Oh well, yeah, obviously this is how it's working right here, but it's attempting to execute blank. Dude. I can just walk up the fucking directory, bro. I'm just about to just do a split. That's it. That's it. Strings.split. Take in the current directory. Split here. Split up to the last one, which is but then it's gonna give me a subarray, which is kind of fucking annoying. Bro, I just want to get rid of. Oh, dude, why is that a function? Bingo, how to remove prefix of remove right up to a specific character. I'll just write it my fucking self. Is there a way I can like exclude this? Alright. Oh yeah, and then let me just fucking join them back together. God damn, this shit is stupid as fuck. Okay, one second. This code is getting ugly as fuck. Strings. Dot. Can I just get the last index? Oh, okay, here we go. So I can say last index of current directory of a slash. And then you just say per directory is equal to per direct. Can I just do this? Or will it yell at me? I won't. Alright, does that work? No, it fucking didn't. Oh, because it has a backslash. There you go. Wait a minute. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Oh, I'm not an idiot. Okay, there you go. So yeah, you get your root directory, which contains this, this is right. So it starts at cmd, walks up to test. Okay, so there you go. Don't print that out. There you go. Just walk up. Tells you if it's walking. Boom, boom. Walking on this. On this. Checks that file exists. can I just check if in a directory does a file exist? A file exists. os.exist. Check if file exists in directory. Go. I can just say os.stat per directory plus go, and it would be /go.mod. Alright, that'll work. Oh well, I didn't print out anything. Find, and then it finds it. So we'll say this. We'll say, and so instead of doing this, we can just say, and then just return an error. We can just say error. Oh, and also I need to, I just realized that this should be walk error. Walk error should equal that. And honestly, what should happen is, this shouldn't be a thing, it should just be, can't I just be like, okay, because I'm overcomplicating. If os.redirectory directory is not equal os.walk error, or error no not exist, or blank error walk error, there you go, and then what, and then not error stop walk, or that is walk error does not exist. Is that how that works? Oh, I can't do that, right? Nah, it's this is stupid. Can I just say os.redirectory? I would love if I could do it in one line, but whatever. What am I doing? Fuck you. Just give me the current directory. Walk in on current directly. Take this. Fuck the values. Error. If the error happens, get the fuck out. Let's do it. Here's. Boom. Okay, boom. If not error, return. Or if error is not equal nil, or equals nil, which means we have no error, return the current directory, nil. Simple as that. What am I doing? Why am I overcomplicating things? Things do not need to be complicated. What do you mean unreachable code? Oh, yeah, you're right. Whatever. There you go. Easy peasy. I'll let this shit out. Easy peasy. There you go. Now, get the root. You know what this is gonna equal to? CFG. You know what? You know what? Here's what I'm gonna do. CFG, config, boom, execute command, os.args, 1. The root directory, cf get root, or get root, CFG, os.args, 1. There you go. Boom, 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 boom. Oh wait, this returns an error, so I can't actually do that.
fucking directory error, if error is not email, and error, else, just pass in the root record. There you go. Delete this. There you go. Holy shit. Lesson learned, boys. Don't overcomplicate your shit. Holy fuck. It's been... This is not supposed to take this long. I was supposed to be done already. I haven't even got the list of files. It's been 2 hours. What am I doing? It's been 2 hours. How the fuck am I taking so long? I'm an idiot. I'm a fucking idiot. I overcomplicated this shit. That was dumb as fuck. That was really dumb. That was super dumb. I'm very upset with myself. Whatever. We got it down now, okay? There you go. Now we have this. You can execute, output. There you go. Now does this work? Yes, it does. Alright. Now that's done, we can actually implement the hard part about this program, which is a watch behavior. So, to protect. So there's multiple changes. There's 3 types of changes we need to interact with. Right? We need to watch for changes on existing file and changes and if new files are added and if files are. Those are what we need to watch out for. We need to watch out change for existing file, if new files are added, if files are removed. Those are the 3 changes we need to watch for. Now, I know how to watch for the thing. I know how to watch that. I know how to watch for if new files are added. So, for now, the simplest approach is we'll just watch if there's changes on an existing file. That's what we're gonna watch, because that's the most simple approach. At first, that'll get the base down, like that'll get our foundation down, and then we can add on if files are added or removed. Then we'll add on that functionality. For now, we don't have to worry about any of that stuff. Okay, good. So we got the current root directory. We got some data that we need. We have this. Now let's actually get a list of all these files. Now I'm really curious, is there a way I can kind of keep a state on these files, or do I have to keep refreshing them over and over and over and over again? So S. I realized that we're gonna need to make the other thing a process, so we can keep track of the process, and then kill the process when it dies, kill this when it dies. So this will need to become a process. Is it already a process? No, output run start. I think this thing stays alive. We can know if it stays alive at all. Pretty sure I'll have to look into that because, well, there's no kill command. Which, what does the wait thing do? Alright, so we'll have to look at that in a second. Alright, so root directory. Let's actually post. So how do we want to like watch all these files? I'm very curious to see if I can grab a file and I can just tell if there's changes to it or not. That's what I'm curious about. So here's what I'll do. I'll make a file test.txt here, and then I'll say testing. Here, what I'll do is test code. Now don't do anything. Just test the code. I don't care about anything else at the moment. There you go. What I want to do is I want to say os.stat s.txt file error if error doesn't make it nil, and if the error else we have this file data. And then file I would say while r4 fmt print line file.mod time time.sleep time.second. There you go. Okay, so if I go here and I go and I save it, does it detect the change? No, it fucking doesn't. So I'm gonna have to keep refreshing these values then, huh? Now, why is that an issue? Because this can be kind of slow, especially considering that there's a shit. Yeah, okay, so I know I don't have it open, but here, if I run it now, you can see it's at 0.41. Edit it. You can see it changes, but previously it did not change. So we're gonna have to refresh files, which is not good to a certain extent because it can lag for like really big file systems. Actually, I don't even know if it will lag. It depends on how efficient this .stat file is. Because there's no way there's like enough files to make an impact difference unless this .stat file is actually slow as fuck. Because if this thing's slow as fuck, then we have an issue now. But basically what we want to do is for now we can just pull like this we can just pull these files, pull it, and we can check the last updated time. So my idea currently right now for this, because I want to speed these things up, is we're just going to get a list of all the files that currently exist, pull those list of files. So we'll keep checking those list of files over and over again. We'll just take their file path, we'll look at it, we're like, okay, are you still here? Did you get last edited? When was the last time you edited? Is that cool? Is the data different? Stuff like that. If it is, trigger a refresh. And when you trigger the refresh, we don't need to like rerun up the directory or anything. We can just reset everything. Because we don't need to like actually trigger a refresh on this end where we have to lock up the whole directory. Should we? I feel like if you make fundamental changes to your thing, well, it will crash. If you do, let me just see how. Let me actually. go, buddy. Node mod test.js. Okay, so we're getting test. Let's change it. Crash. We'll need to manage crashes too. Test. Okay, let's move this file. We move it. What happens? It doesn't know where it exists. If I add it back, does it come back to life? It does. Okay, so that's the similar format we'll follow there. So if you make fundamental changes to your thing, you're gonna have to actually restart. So this config will never change. This root directory will never change. The execute command will never change. That will never change unless you restart your thing. So for now, what we'll do is we'll just get a list of all the files that exist up front, and we'll just pull it, and then again we'll figure out what we should do when they remove a file and they add a file and stuff later. Technically, I mean, I could just walk the directory the whole time, but what is, let me, oh yeah, well, I mean, that's detect if it leaves or not. Which you can tell, let's see what happens if it detects if there's a new file added. Did it restart? Here's what I'll do. To actually make this like cleaner, I'll just fucking restart it. That'll be easier to debug. Okay, so starting. Let me actually remove this. It should. There we go. Okay, so boom. Starting. Let me go and say new.js. Okay, so it does detect when you add new files. And then if I were to delete the file, it detects it. And then if I were to add a file in a different directory, will it detect it? Yeah, it will. Alright. So. So. For now, I'll just create an array called active. Oh, it's gonna active files. Active files equal to a string, or not string, fs. What is it? os dot. What is this? What does it return? Not this. Directory entry. What does this return? fs.fileinfo. Stop file. What does that? If it's from here, we're gonna say e dot. Oh my god, I hate e dot mod. Whatever. So e, just this. And I'll just. Why you giving me so many issues, bro? Okay, so what does mode return? What does mode mean? File mode and bits. File mode. Go. Whatever. Okay, whatever. It doesn't matter. I'm like pre-optimizing this shit. Because it asks me like, oh, if we check if it's only a right opcode, then we can just. But I don't know. Whatever. Does not matter. So for now, what I'll just do is I'll just sequentially scan all the files from the root directory for, and then every time, and then if it exists in here, we'll compare it, and then stuff like that. And maybe I'll just make this a map string, and this will just be the key. Will be the key will be the file path name it has. But I do want to check. But if I do that, how do I check if a file gets deleted? Well, sequentially scan it. How am I going to be able to tell the map? How am I going to be able to map be like, okay, something's not right here. Something doesn't match. Maybe I can just compare. Stop thinking about that. No, actually, I have to think about that though, because like, whatever. Scan files. For now, I won't work. os.walk. What is it? So, file path.walk. And it takes in a walk function and a root. So what's the difference between walk and walk directory? Okay, so walk directory finds file tree recalling each file for directory, including the root. As errors, this will run, see this. Reads this. Okay, so for now we'll just say I'll just say root. That's in the roots. Make that function. Now, if error is nil, the error, if is directory, print line, directory, and then we'll just say the path. Okay, so that's the current path we're on. Oh, let's get the path. But I'm curious, will this continue to walk down the whole thing? Well, we're about to find out. So let's scan the files of cgf.root directory. Okay, so you have a directory, so it will go through and look at everything. Now what I want to know is, how can I get what type of file it is? There you go, exactly like this. So if it's a directory, let's continue, or we just return nil, right? Else we know it's a file, right? line. And I'll just say file. And there you go. Now we have this. You can check if. Okay, so we'll say if active files at path. Just say I'll just call this B for now. Say valid. Or I'll just say okay. If not okay, which means it doesn't exist, we're gonna just say like empty print line, trigger, be set eventually, right? Else we'll just say not the mod time. And then what we'll do, there you go. Ooh, error. Oh, yeah, I'm a dumbass. If not okay, we'll say when you trigger reset, we'll say active files and path is equal to D. Which we'll just say D entry. I mean, honestly, like at this rate, I can just say that this is an int, which or a time. What does it say? B dot let me just do D dot mod D dot mod. What the fuck's going on, bro? It's because like this stupid ass error, bro. Fuck, dude, I hate when it does that shit. Oh wait, what? I can't tell if when it's been last modded. Fuck. What's the difference between walk directory and walk? Okay, I need to figure out whatever. Let's just print D dot type, because maybe we'll be able to cast it into something. Nice, that didn't explain it to me. Okay, so I need fs.er entry. Prints fs.fileinfo. Oh, I understand why. Info.mod time. There you go. Alright. Just realized that we're also have to keep track of rectories too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna check if there's a active tree. That's literally all I'm gonna do. Active file, active tree, and this will just be active tree. Okay, whatever. We don't care. We're gonna just say info error equals e.info. Okay, if error is for nil, return error. Nice. Go down here. Boom. There you go. Info.modTime. The time.time. Now. So we can just go here. Time.time. There you go. So if at this path, if it is not okay, we need to trigger a reset, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna say active tree at path is equal to this info. There you go. Now, it is okay though. What we're gonna need to say is and then we're gonna say if initial time, if not okay, or initial time dot equal info dot odd time. If it does not equal, you need to change it. Or initial info dot. Can I get the data out of it? No, I can't. So we'll just do a mod time for now. Seems the best approach. I guess we'll just change the size too. Who cares? So instead of saying this, I'll just say fs.info. Instead of saying mod time, I'll just say this, and then instead of saying, we'll say time.equal initial state. We'll say initial state dot mod time dot equals or info dot size does not equal initial state dot size. Go, you say we need to reset, go there. Load all that up. Obviously we don't need to trigger reset right away because we're gonna scan the files before we, what the hell? Where's my oh, because caps lock was enabled. Obviously we're gonna scan before we attempt to execute, so let's scan the files. That's cfg dot when we scan though, will only add, okay, so if there's an error, or if info dot is, if it's not a directory and the info dot can I get the, does it tell me the in path dot or info dot name strings dot contains info dot name, and it needs to contain a dot go for now, and it does not contain this. You just you know, you don't want to turn error because there's no error, but we want to make sure if it's not a directory and it doesn't contain a dot go, we don't want to add it, we don't want to check it, we don't care. So we only check it if it's a directory and it contains dot go. That should be clean. Example.txt. We also have an issue where we're setting it by path. The problem is path doesn't actually give us the path. It would be the same for a bunch of files. So like all these files in here would have the same path. So in our map, the key is wrong. So I'll have to change that. Yeah, I'll have to change that. So the key should be equal to key is equal to the path plus the file of the info dot name. And then you pass the key. There you go. So you have oh shit, wait, did it actually include it? Wait, was I wrong? Wait, I might have been wrong. Whatever. Wait, was I wrong though? User slash go slash, whoa, fuck, dude. User slash test, users slash go slash cmd slash go slash main slash cmd slash main dot go. Okay, so we don't have to worry about okay, so it does include the path does include let me just to verify. I mean, the easiest solution would have been just to print line the path, just see it every time. Test cmd example.txt main.go. Beautiful. So we actually don't need to do this. We can just say path. Yeah, that would be good. So the path actually, because the path actually includes the file name. Now we can see that txt file isn't in there anymore, which is good, but it's just this cmd directory, and it is the test directory, which is good. So we scan the files one time initially on startup, and we attempt to run the thing. Now we need to keep doing this though. So I need to run this as a sub-process. I need to know when this thing ends. So what I'm going to say is for, and then we'll say time.sleep, or time.sleep, time.seconds. Let's just sleep for 2 seconds, and then we'll just console.log live. So issue we're having here is obviously we're not capturing any output because the command is not ending, which means we need to run it as a execute dot let's see what we have. Exe dot command context. So we pass in a context to the command. Oh, what the fuck does that do? Let me actually try this out. Command is like context, but includes a context. This provided context is used to interrupt the process by calling cancel. Oh, sick. Isn't context a struct though? Context dot. Why are you fucking bugging? Context dot. Okay, so no, context is an interface, but I want to make a context. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to get the I want to get the context state cmd.start. I want to know how can I capture when it ends though. Okay, so we get the start runs. Oh, it did it run. The hell? Wait, can I stop printing this map out? I'm confusing what wait does. Wait waits for the command to exit and waits for any copying to. Whoa. Wait waits for the command to exit and waits for any copying to SDN or copying from SD out to complete. This command must be started by must have been started by CMD start. They return error is nil if the command runs, has no problems copying SDN out, and exit see what it says. Command fails and runs correctly. Blah blah blah. Okay. So. Oh, here we go. So I say wait. Okay, I'm confusing everything. Let me delete all this shit real quick. Alright, boom. We have CMD. Now. I want to what I want to do is I want to take the CMD, ft print line the cmd.start command. Then I want to fmt.print line the cmd.wait command. And once we're done with that, I want to capture the output. So is this how this works? So you start, you wait, and then you capture output, and you call it a day. Does that work? So need trigger to reset, time to execute, nil. Execute already started. There you go, guys. I figured it out. Something execute already. Execute already started. Well, okay. So I think the output starts the program behind the scenes, maybe. Yeah, 3 hours. It's not done. Damn, I suck. What the hell? I'll be back. 3 hours. 3 hours. Nothing fucking done. We need to speed this up. It's been going way too slow for no fucking reason. Why has this been going so slow? The problem is I have no idea what this code's doing, to be honest. If I'm gonna be straight up. Which is kind of slowing me down because I have no idea what it's doing. Okay, stop, please. So this, okay, so this executes the command. We don't want that to happen. We want this to start, but what we need is we need to pipe the output somewhere. So st out is here, all right? Oh, wait, no, we set this. It's a field, so I can just say os.st out. There you go. Now hold, I think that should actually work, now that I think about it. Oh, I cannot tab. So we're saying, I think what we're saying there is execute directly to us. There you go. So what this is saying is basically saying, this process's like output should get piped to our like command prompt. Now if I go here and I say this and then I add this back, we should see hello get printed twice. Good. Now, so this is working. Very beautiful. We don't care about the input. The input doesn't like matter. Well, what we should actually do is we should say os.args one out. Ooh. Dot. Or whoa, what the fuck? Because I'm just realizing that we are missing a lot of these like if they want to pass in extra values, that's gonna be missing. We still need to be able to pass in flags, but for some reason this is not working. I don't know why. What the fuck? Command arg string. 1 second. This should be a string, yeah. Oh. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Because I'm appending run and then it's freaking out. So we need to use go and then we need to say the arguments are equal to I mean, I guess I could just kind of combine them all together. I just combine it into one string. Like just say strings dot join this with just join the run with os.args from one out, separate by a space, and this will be run. That looks kind of stupid, but like, you get the fucking point. And I like, fuck, I just want to add run to the start. Whatever, I'll just do this because it's the simplest approach, but it just looks ugly and I hate it, but who cares? Execute command. That still work. It did not. It exploded itself. Oh, because this. Oh, whoa. Execute, run, test / CMD. These are. What the fuck is the. Wait, what? What's the third argument? That's not normal. Something run test / CMD / main.go. Oh, that's that. Why is it failing? Can you not pass it in as like run main.go - v just ts? Can you not do that? Can I not just say run cmd or test / cmd / main.go -db tst? Can I not do that? No, I cannot. But if I were to separate them out, can I do that? No, but if I were to separate it, that it works. Okay, so they have to be their own thing. So I guess I'll just say this execute command will actually be an array of string, which then will turn into. Actually, here. I'll change this. File. Oh no, I can't change it because that's stupid. That's stupid as fuck, bro. Execute command. Strings. Run. Fucking os.args from 1 outward. There you go, buddy. Thank you, happy, and then fucking. There you go. That doesn't work? Dude, come on, bro. Dude. Alright. Oh my god, this is so messy. Append, slice, element. Append this with this. All the fucking day. No, still not gonna work. Dude, holy hell. This is pissing me the fuck off. We cannot append boom boom. Making me mad. Jesus Christ, bro. Why is just adding 2 slices together so difficult? I should have just been able to say down here. I should have just been able to say run os.args. Okay, and then it's gonna fucking bug out because os.args from 1 to here. ... But I can't. I can't even say that. Which is stupid. Because if I were to delete this, it works. That's dumb as fuck. That's the dumbest thing I've ever seen. That's fucking stupid. Normally, I don't get mad at Go. That pisses me the fuck off. That's stupid as fuck. String, run, append this with os.args. Oh, but I can't say that, can I? No, you can't. That's stupid. Gracious, dude. Goodness fucking gracious. Oh my god, a pen. String. Run. Args. There you go. No! Still? Why? Oh, because I'm a dumbass. That's why. Because I'm a dumbass. I'm the biggest fucking clown here, actually. Never mind. It's not Ghost's fault. It's fucking me. I'm the biggest dumbass here. No fucking shot. I forgot to make that an array. Why didn't I just read the error message? God damn it. That's totally my fault. I'm so dumb. Oh, that's so embarrassing. Wow. I can't believe I just did that. Live on camera, too. Incredible. Nice. Nice. Okay, well, at least it's back now. Holy fuck, that was embarrassing. Jesus. That was all my fault, too. Hilarious. No way. Alright, is there a way I can trigger restart? CMD can go how to trigger restart. Okay, whatever. I thought there might be a clean way to do it. I don't think there is, so here's what we're gonna do. Scan files, trigger for restarts. Oh, you need trigger for restart, but we don't. But what we will do is now. Okay, so now we have it. We have everything done. We have the initial. Like this is the base plate. We have the files. Neither it took us 3 hours to get here, which is kind of embarrassing. It did not need to take that long. That's very embarrassing. It took me 3 hours to just get the fucking disc. But whatever. Oh wow. 2 hours and it was 2 hours and 30 minutes. So it took 2 hours and 30 minutes to get this point. That's very sad. That's very depressing. But it doesn't matter because we're here. We're here now. And we have a list of files. We have. Dude, 1 second, bro. I'm gonna take a detour. I thought this would take me an hour. I'm gonna be so dass. I thought this would take me like an hour and a half max. I was obviously fucking wrong. I was way wrong. Crazy. Whatever. So. We have all the base plate. We have the scanned files. We have the process running. We know when we need to trigger restart. Now, how do we actually go here and combine all this shit together? We need to use concurrency. Actually, technically we don't, because I can execute stuff right here. Does this wait until it's like done, or what happens? Hello. I need to understand how this wait function works. Okay, so the wait will actually freeze us. Which will probably be a bad idea. I need to figure out what's going on. So I need to figure out the state of the program, and I also need to do a sequential scan. So let's do this. So let's do a go func scan files. Leave our root directory. Time.sleep. We'll do it every 500 milliseconds. Oh whoa. We'll do it every second. Every 2 seconds. It doesn't really matter. Every 2 seconds, we'll scan a directory. And yeah. Say, then we have that wait that happens. And let's see what goes. Let's see what happens. print line, scanning. Scanning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's not scanning again. Why is that making me concerned? As I need is I need to make sure. Oh, this isn't in a while loop, so it's ending. That's why it's not scanning again. I was scared there for a second, but it was just me being bad at programming. There you go. Okay, so we're doing that sequential scan every like 2 seconds. So we're doing that scan, and then we can detect if there needs to be a change. So what needs to happen is in our scan files we'll return a boolean, which basically means do we need to change. And what's going to happen here is change flag. Flag should change is should reset. Should reset is equal to false. Now we should reset if this happens. If this happens. If none of that happens. Oh wait, no, this shouldn't reset. It should only happen here. It just said should reset equals to true, and then we return good reset. Now, good reset set is equal to this. If reset, we're gonna say fmt print line resetting. Now, when we initially run, we shouldn't have to reset. And now we're going to do a sequential scan. However, I go here and I add a comment, hello, I save it, need to trigger a reset. There you go. If I change this, need to trigger a reset. Good. Good, good, good. Now we can actually go through the process of triggering that reset. Which basically says ZMD dot is there a kill? We can just say cancel. Cancel. But now we actually have to do the process of going in and resetting it. For now, what we'll say is just ooh, what the hell? For now, what we'll just say is if it resets, we'll cancel it. If not, we'll keep it running. There you go. So it's dead. Oh, it's not dead. Oh shit, it's not dead. It's not dead, it's still going. What the fuck? Okay, so we need to pass in we'll just say process kill. Let's edit it. Bam. It's dead. How is it coming back? It's not dying. But how is this? Whoa, whoa, whoa. How is this happening? It's killing my program, but it's not killing. Ooh, that's weird. Because maybe I need to pass this in as an argument. that doesn't work, then we'll try to do how? Whoa, why is it still alive, dude? That's not working how I thought it would. Is it? Oh, it might be because I'm starting it before the go through. How? Whoa, that's so weird. Wait, what? I don't understand. It's not listening to me. Okay. Very weird. Maybe I need to run it with man on cancel. Whoa, come on, dude. Then let me just create a CTX cancel accept our context dot cancel with cancel context dot background. So let me pass in CTX, and then if this happens, we'll just call the cancel function. Oh, and then we'll break out a loop. Oh, was it because I wasn't breaking out the loop? No, what the fuck, yo? What the fuck is going on? Oh, I have no idea why it's doing that. Okay, let me go here and let's reset this thing. I think I'm just using this thing wrong. I'm not very good with these man like bullshits. Okay. It's obviously not listening to me. So let's do some go routine type shit. So we'll say if error we have an error defined, yeah we do. TMD.start if error is nil, panic error else. Okay, so we keep going. Now we go done, which is going to be a channel error, and it's going to have only one. And then we'll run this, and we'll say done is equal to md.wait. Now select case error oh wait, no, what am I doing? No, I'm spelling all that shit wrong. Oh, well, maybe. This doesn't make any sense. What am I doing? What am I fucking doing? Okay, I just want the process to kill itself. I don't understand why it won't. I don't want to do this approach. Okay, we start. If we can't start, we panic. Time.sleep. 3 seconds. FMT print line. CMD. Process. Kill. And you will die. It's not dead. It's not dead. Go. Process won't kill, but won't grow. Error. What is happening? This is so weird. Can I use the cancel context though? CTX cancel context with cancel context background. Okay. With command context CTX. Okay. Sleep. And we'll just cancel. What the fuck? Why is it still alive? Wait, didn't even wait 5 seconds, right? I have no idea what's going on. Alright. ChatGPT has come out. Very weird. I don't know if I want to put that there. syscall dot build. Ooh, no, this is all so gay, bro. Come on, bro. Okay. Wait, maybe I should call cancel and then wait, and then I should wait it. Because that would make sense. No, still alive. Still alive. Get the fuck. You need to die, bro. This thing needs to fucking die. How is this thing still fucking alive? So stupid. Go run. Run on the file. That's the arguments. Computers. Start. Should die. Maybe, do I have to literally call it right after? I don't think so. There's no fucking way. Can I do a timeout? Not dying. Oh! No! Holy fuck! Why is this thing still fucking alive? Kill it! How the hell is this being so difficult? It's because what I'm doing here is it's a child, and and it's not working because it's a child context. This is the issue. So that's what everyone's saying. So what I'm doing is I'm killing it. I'm doing it. I have a child process. So I guess I'll change this back to just with cancel. Now I guess I'll just defer that because I don't know when I really want to cancel. However, what I will do is I will cmd dot this protocol equal to syscall. There you go. Set the It's not a thing, ChatGPT, you motherfucker. This is not a thing. I hate doing this, like, fucking command shit. I always get... I mean, I've done some stupid, like, I hate it. No. I just hate this shit. I, like, done it where, like, I've done things like this before, but it's just, like... That shit is so annoying. Sometimes. Like, it can honestly be so fucking annoying. This call. What is this .kill shit? That's not a thing. That's not a thing. Oh my fucking god. I'm not gonna be. This is terrible. ChatGPT's dumber than a fucking rock. Oh my goodness. Now this is taking forever. It's taking longer than I thought it would. Oh, I'll just play. Now it's taking longer than it was going to originally. Fuck, dude. Fuck, bro, fuck. Run Go file within a Go program. What that? How to run Go files, Go programs, and a Go program in AX. Bro, they are not giving me the correct answer, bro. I'm not asking how to run a Go program, bro. I'm asking how to do it through their fucking library. You dumb, you fucking idiot. So stupid. I'm getting mad. This is, bro. I just want this to be over. I'm not even having a good time anymore. Why has it been almost 4 hours? I haven't even done anything. I'm crashing out, bro. 4 hours. 4 hours, and what have I done? Fucking nothing, dude. It took me 4 hours to write this code. I have exams to be studying for. I thought this would take an hour. I thought this would take a fucking hour. Oh my goodness, dude. I'm gonna have to watch this shit back, bro, and be like, damn, I need to improve on this, because I'm dumber than a rock here, dude. Holy hell, dude. This is stupid. This is nonsense. I just want to kill it. That's all I want to do. Go funk. Fuck it. I don't care. Execute. Time.sleep. Sleep for 2 seconds. Or sleep for 5 seconds. Can I just say that? Or no? Or no? Are you gonna get mad at me? What's the difference between run and start? The fuck does run mean? Oh, so run. Oh yeah, so run waits for it. Oh my god, why is it? Alright, I'm giving up. I'm gonna have to come back to this at a later date, guys. Because I actually have shit to do. This took a lot longer than expected, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. I'm just gonna commit this real quick. Alright, well, that was kind of failed, but I don't know. That took a lot longer than expected. I'll come back at this tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be refreshed and I'll be able to finish this not in an extra 4 hours. This is crazy work. Like basically 4 hours for this, crazy work. Fucking crazy. So I need to figure out what I'm doing with this like command line thing, because that's what's stopping me right now. What's stopping me is this command stuff. I don't really know what I'm doing. So I'm just kind of like throwing shit at the wall and hoping it works. yeah, so come back another time and fix it up and actually get it fucking done. I was hoping that I would get the initial. I was hoping I would do this in an hour. I'm being so dumb, like that. I was hoping I would do this in a fucking hour. No, it did not take an hour. So we're literally right there. If we could just kill this program, it'd be fine. Like, if we could just kill this process, this would be awesome. I don't understand why we can't kill it. Bro, syscall is not a thing. What the fuck? Why are they using syscall? What is that from? I understand the issue. I really do. So some backstory is I ran into this issue before because I wrote a couple like projects that involved like managing these sub children, and I've always run into this issue. I always get here and I just get fucked up like bad. Like it shouldn't be that hard because I understand how the processes work. I understand those. I don't understand why this is so difficult for me. Syscall.kill is not a thing. Oh, because I'm on Windows. Wait, what? I can't use process.kill. I can't. I can't. I can't. I can't. I can't. OS.kill. Oh, please tell me I can pass in a value. Oh my god. Causes the process to kill immediately. Kill does not wait till the process. Oh my goodness. DMD. Is there anything values you can edit? Please, bro. Please, please. Oh, process. Oh. Oh no! That's literally the error we ran into earlier, bro. Like, this shit doesn't fucking work. You motherfucker. That's not gonna work. You just tried that. Wait, what? No, it's still alive. Why is it still fucking alive, bro? How is it still alive? How? I don't understand. Why won't it go away from me? Get the fuck off me. Please. Please stop. Well, how is it still alive? Kills the process to exit immediately. Kill does not wait until process to actually exit the kill. This only kills the process itself, not any other process that may have started. Okay, that's fine, because it's not starting any other process. It's its own thing. I don't understand. I send a signal. No. Why won't you die? Why won't you die? I don't understand, dude. Why is this so annoying? Do I even have like its data? Like, is this an issue because it's in a go routine and I'm not passing in correctly? Like, is that the issue? Am I being stupid? I thought I saw its state. Maybe I'm being stupid, maybe it doesn't have any of this information, but I should have get a null exception. So no, it still has its thing. Oh my goodness. This call .kill is not a thing on Windows, or for at least go to 1.231. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why won't it fucking die? Just kill the fucking program, please. I beg of you. Please, just kill it. Fuck this wait shit, bro. You're killing the fucking process. I'm not getting off until I kill this thing, bro. This thing's dead. This thing's gonna die. I'm set on murdering this fucking stupid ass thing, bro. Why is it still alive? Something has to be going on. Like, there has to be something that's happening here. Oh my god. Oh, fuck. Oh, wow. Oh, I don't have syscall though. Why don't I have syscall? I just realized. I think I just realized what's going on. I just realized that this is running the run function, which inherently spawns a child process because that's what people release. So when you go run, you're creating a sub-child process under it, which is why it's not dying. Because I'm actually killing this, not the code itself, apparently. I think that's how that works. But I don't understand what I'm supposed to do because I don't have, like, I don't have syscall, and all the solutions involve syscall. I don't have that though. I call like what is this package? Windows dot terminate. Do I have to install the Windows package? Like, I think that's just a Windows issue. Okay. Windows. Oh. There you go. Syscall. Windows. Hello. Fuck, dude. Terminate. Process. Terminate process. Damn, dude, this shit is laggy as fuck, bro. What's the error? Oh my god, I'd have to install it. I don't want to install it, you fucking dickhead. Oh, I should have just been able to kill it. I should just be able to kill it, bro. Why can I not just kill it? Why? Why can I not just kill it? Just want to kill the process. Why can I not just do that? This is ridiculous, bro. This is fucking ridiculous. cmd.sys. Why? Fuck, dude. I don't have syscall. Why don't I have syscall? Why is that? Do I need to install syscall? I think I might too. Like, what the fuck is this, dude? Like, how come I don't have, like, kill or nothing out of this package? This is fucking ridiculous, bro. Like, I don't understand what's going on. I really don't know what's going on. No, fucking... The fuck is this shit? What is syscall.getp? That's not a thing. What the fuck is that? Holy shit. I'm getting mad as fuck. I don't have that function. Why do I not have that? I don't have that fucking function. What am I supposed to do? This is fucking crazy work, bro. This has been 4 fucking hours for this. This is pissing me the fuck off, bro. This is crazy. This is actually insane. It's because this stupid shit is calling a fucking child process. But I can't do anything about it. I can't kill the child process because I can't. I can't call syscall.kill. There you go. Everyone's saying, oh, it doesn't work on fucking Windows. So what am I supposed to do? I'm like literally going insane. I'm gonna I hate Windows so much. This is all Windows fucking fault. You know, no, because you know what fucking happened? Last time I did this in Python, guess what happened? Oh, Windows is a fucking moron. Windows is a fucking moron. And I had to do some gay workaround for this shit, bro. I have none of these things, bro. But I don't understand. Why don't I have these things? Because if I'm doing cross-platform, like if I have to make it cross-platform, why don't I have it? Am I just reading out-of-date fucking things, bro? Like, holy hell. This is so stupid. Oh my goodness gracious, dude. This was supposed to be a fun stream. I was supposed to do it in like an hour and 30. It's turned into a 4-hour fucking disaster. Dude, I don't know what to do. I'm gonna have to bring out like my if I'm gonna finish this, I need to get out my I need to like get out like the fucking process tracker, and I need to track down all the processes. This is stupid, bro. Wow. Come on, bro. I can't kill the program, dude. Why not? I don't know. Okay, I can't do this. I literally have no more time. I can't be on this thing anymore. Whatever, so I guess that's just programming for you. You think some things are gonna be easy, you think you're intelligent, and then you get fucking demolished while you do it, and then you realize that this is a lot stupider than you thought it would be. So, that's the moral of the story. I'm going to call it. For my own sake, I really want to keep going, but I have shit I need to do. And I'm gonna break my fucking computer if I keep going at this rate. And I think we'll just have to come back to it tomorrow or something, or I'll off stream I'll have to figure out how to do this. Overall notes on the whole stream, I'm very disappointed with myself. I don't understand how. I don't know if I wasn't paying or I wasn't paying attention. I don't know how the hell this spiraled from a 1 hour project to 4, and then still, and now we're not even done. Like, I don't know how. How have I only managed to write 165 lines of code in 4 hours? How did 4 hours of my life just vanish like that? That's crazy. Whatever. So that unfortunate note to end the stream, but we'll be back another time. So